Yeah, Mike, I couldn't agree more. And you're right. The question in this case is she a liar or isn't she a liar? And I was talking to Judge Ashley saying, you know, is it possible that this was a Sid's death and she just, as a young person, wasn't ready to tell that story? But when you see all these friends coming in and she's lying to them, not telling them or confiding in them the truth, seeing how much they seem to care about Evelyn, I think it makes it more probable that she's just lying.
There are only two universes in this case. There's a universe where she did it intentionally, and there's a universe where she didn't do it intentionally or the kid died on her own, right? We don't know which universe we live in. It would be a tragedy if we live in the universe where she did it intentionally and she gets acquitted, or she gets a reduction to manslaughter, or vice versa. Either one would be a tragedy. The purpose of this case, obviously, to see it through. Lying after the fact, look, there's a lot of people who lie and it starts in their childhood, right? There's a situation where she did not do this intentionally to her daughter, but she was abused as a kid and she learned how to lie. Lying is something you learn as a kid. There's people who never lie when they're adults because when they're kids, there was no consequences if they were troublemakers. And then there were kids that would be beaten and abused and they grow up and they lie about anything. So we just don't know. It's tough. It's very, very, very difficult.